Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case regarding transfer of cases under section 127. The very limited issue before the Andhra Pradesh High Court in the present writ petition was that can an authority who do not have the jurisdiction over the assessee can transfer his case from one jurisdiction to the another jurisdiction? This issue has been very well taken up by Andhra Pradesh High Court in the case of Vijay Nathulal Sharma versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, Union of India, and this case is reported in ITR 472 at page number 535. The date of the judgment is 21st October 2022. In the present case, there was no dispute that the assessee was having the jurisdiction at Mumbai. In the present case, there was a search on another assessee who was in Andhra Pradesh. Due to this search, if the jurisdiction of the assessee is to be transferred, then the jurisdiction of the assessee can be transferred only by an authority who is at Mumbai, because the assessee was having the jurisdiction at Mumbai. But the case of the assessee was transferred by an authority at Vijayawada. After that, the assessment of the assessee was completed under section 153C. After the completion of the assessments, the assessee came to know that the assessment orders have been passed without the valid transfer under section 127. Although the assessee has not raised the point of jurisdiction or the question of legality of the transfer of cases at the time of assessment proceedings, so it was also a question that whether the assessee can raise at this level first time this ground. For this, the court was of the opinion that in the present case, there was the challenge to the legal competency of the notice, there was challenge to the jurisdiction, and the matter was going to the root of the basic jurisdiction. So this point can be raised at any point of time by the assessee. When the matter was heard by the Andhra Pradesh High Court, the court was of the opinion that in the present case, it was not the case of the revenue that the proper opportunity has been given to the assessee before the transfer of the case. And as per the mandate of section 127, if a case is to be transferred from one principal commissioner to another principal commissioner, or from one officer to another officer which is not subordinate to him, then in that case, a reasonable opportunity is to be given to the assessee, and after recording the reasons, the case can be transferred. But this was not done in the present case. The court said that in the present case, when a statute prescribes the authority with whom the power is vested, it is only that authority which can exercise the power. In the present case, the power was only with the Mumbai authority, but the case was transferred by the Vijayawada authority. The court said that by the consent of the parties, the statutory prescription cannot be waived nor vested with any other authority. The court also said that even the Article 14 of the Constitution of India provides for equal protection of laws, and in the case at hand, the act of the authority which were based on the order dated 16th February 2021 were against constitutional mandate. So when the order of transfer itself is invalid, so any assessment done in pursuant to that order is also invalid. So the court quashed all the transfer order and all the assessment proceedings which were completed in the case of the assessee, because the officer which has done the transfer was not having the authority to transfer the case, and the officer who has completed that assessment was not having the authority to complete that assessment. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Vijay Nathulal Sharma versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 472 ITR at page number 535, and the date of the judgment is 21st October 2022. Thank you, friends.